Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Welcome to Forward Public School e-learning class. This is class 4 and I am your English teacher. Subject English, chapter 1, Speaking the Truth, and we are going to start the part 3, which is written work, and you will have to do it on your notebooks. Now students, open your notebooks. Write the serial number on your left hand side, then date, then give the heading of capital letters and draw these lines, these 3 lines on your notebooks, and write all the letters, letter A to Z, on your notebooks. Now come to the next page on your copies, write the same serial number and date and give the heading of small letters and draw the same lines, 3 lines on your copies and start writing from A to Z. These are your small letters. These are all your small letters. You have to write down all these small letters on your copies. Now students, you have to write down serial number and date here as well and give the heading of sky letters. Now what are the sky letters? The letters which starts from the first line and ends on the third line is called sky letters. Now these are all the sky letters. Now write down these sky letters on your copies. Then you will give heading to the grass letters. Give heading of grass letters. Grass letters are those letters which comes in the middle of the 2 lines. ये सारे वो grass letters हैं जो center की 2 lines पर आते हैं. You have to write down all these grass letters in your copies. And now in the end you will give the heading of root letters, which are these. These are all root letters. You have to write down these, all the 3 kinds of letters in your copies. Okay? Now we will start midterm of English A. Now you will go to the next page of your copies. On the first line, you will write the heading of contents. Number 1, chapter 1, Speaking the Truth. This chapter is included in your monthly test, so write the monthly test in the brackets. Chapter 2, Rashid Minhas. Chapter 3, Nature's Tale, poem. Chapter 4, Amazing Inventions. Then write down at the end of your contents, dictation chapter, Speaking the Truth. So in the midterm, the dictation chapter is Speaking the Truth. Now come to the next page. From the start on your notebooks, you will write the same serial number and date on your copies and write the heading of chapter 1, Speaking the Truth. Mention the contents, give the heading of contents. Number 1, words meaning 5. Number 2, word sentences 5. Number 3, question answers 5. Number 4, book activities. A, exercise 3, page 7. B, grammar, page 7. The order of adjectives, oral activity. C, exercise 2. D, MCQs. Exercise 2 is on page number 8 and the MCQs are on page number 8 plus 9. Okay students, keep this in your mind that your handwriting should be very neat and very accurate. Now go to the next page of your notebooks. Write same serial number and date on your top of your copies. Chapter number 1, give the heading of chapter number 1, speaking the truth, but don't mention these page numbers. So you have to draw a center line on your copies, on your notebooks, and start writing. Number 1 word is popularity, meaning fame. Number 2, heaven, meaning paradise. Number 3, adopt, choose the follow. Number 4, truthfulness, quality of not telling lies. Number 5, steal, to take something without permission. After completing your word's meaning, draw a finishing line if there is any space or any lines. Now go to your next page and ready your next page on your copies. Draw margin line on your copies for the words meanings and start writing. Draw also a serial number on your copies and date. Now number 1 word is truthfulness. Sentence, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a perfect example of truthfulness. Number 2, honorable. My father is an honorable man. Number 3, popularity. The popularity of cricket is rising day by day. Number 4, opinion. In my opinion, Zara is a good girl. Number 5, stealing. He was punished for stealing. After completing your word sentences, then draw a finishing line if there is any space on that page. Question answers. Question number 1. How does Islam guide its followers? Children, you can see the mistake. It is not flowers, it is followers. So I will correct this mistake. Followers matlab manne wale. And its answer is, and Islam is a complete code of life. Its teachings lead us to happy and peaceful life. Question number 2. What has our Nabi Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam displayed throughout his life? Answer. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam always showed the great quality of truthfulness. After completing this answer, draw a finishing line again and start the question number 3. Question number 3. What happens if someone tells a lie? Answer. If someone tells a lie, he loses respect in the eyes of the people, full stop. Allah does not like telling lies, full stop, and draw a finishing line again after completing this answer. Question number 4. What are the benefits of speaking the truth? Answer. If we always speak the truth, we shall be rewarded here and in the world hereafter. Now draw a finishing line again and come to the question number 5. What did you learn from this lesson? Answer. We learned from this lesson that by telling the truth, we can gain the love of Allah and the respect of others. Now go to your new page and next page on your copies and give the heading of book activities. Write the book activities. A. Exercise 3, page 7. B. Grammar, page 7. C. Exercise 2, page 8. D. MCQs, page 8 plus 9. So this is the end of part 3, written work of chapter number 1. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.